What's up, world? It's Jason Jani, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about DJ bags. We're actually talking about another addition to the Jetpack product line, the Revolution, we're calling this, the Jetpack Revolution, taking place in the year 2020. Today we're talking about the all-new, just released Jetpack Drop bag. Now, this bag solves a lot of problems for a lot of DJs and has a lot of different uses and applications. This bag is the latest and greatest installment to the product line, courtesy of the Jetpack crew. This is a crew that consists of DJs making bags for DJs. Whoa. So they're people that understand the culture, understand the community, and understand how DJs are using their products. And they've put a lot of time and energy and a lot of thought, a lot of care into this brand new, just released product they just launched today. Now, this product looks a little bit different than most of the other products from the Jetpack line. This product is made to look like a rolling, it actually functions like a rolling suitcase, but it is more than just that. Talking about the bag very quickly from an exterior perspective, they put a lot of time and attention into the bag, and they did not sacrifice quality in any way. As a matter of fact, they've used super heavy duty components like zippers, fabrics, stitching, and they've really thought through how people that are DJs will use these bags at their events and in and out of traveling to their events. They thought through a number of different things, which I think shows that they really spent a lot of time in the creation of this bag. Putting handles not just on the lower bottom, the sides, and the top is not just it. They put a lot of time and energy into how the bag balances, the components of the bag like the heavy duty wheels, the plastic handle on the front, the telescoping handle on the back, how the handle is anchored to the bag so that it lasts the test of time, especially if you're taking it in and out of locations, venues, events, parties, whatever you do. They even set up these kind of cool protectors to protect the telescoping arms on the back of the bag in the event that you have to roll up a curb or up an escalator. They've just really thought of it all. Now the bag is pretty solid and they've constructed it to last. All the sides are reinforced with foam on the interior or underneath the fabric. And I love this thing on the front where they've actually included this Velcro pouch, which is perfect for like a car key, a ticket for a parking garage, or perhaps something else that's super important, even if you want to stash your money in here when you're going to a party or an event or whatever. They've really thought through a lot of the needs that currently don't exist in the DJ bag world when they created this, and they've knocked it out of the park. Now, to walk through the bag very, very quickly, the bag itself opens up and you will find a number of different components in this bag. First and foremost, I noticed that the foam is heavy duty on the inside as well. The webbing of the material is meant to not rip. It's meant to last a long time, and it's actually constructed so that if you're ripping equipment in and out of these bags, it's not going to just wear down very quickly. Now, this bag has a number of different components like a removable shelf or removable box that can be used underneath or on top of the gear or the elements of the bag. They have a removable divider that they've put that is padded, by the way. And they have a removable floor and additional padding if you need more room. Now, that's not all that they've had in this bag. This bag actually can be extended, and you can do so pretty easily just by undoing the second zipper here on the top. If you need something a little bit larger to hold your controllers, this bag allows you to extend it a number of inches so that you can accommodate more gear. Now, I can see me using this bag, and I can see myself using this bag a number of different ways in the future. From my mobile events, having one bag that can transport a number of my different computers, my backup computer, my media computer, my lighting computer, or a mixer. Whether I'm using an S11 or an S9, it fits perfectly and easily in this bag. And I usually travel with my own mixer when I do events because I always want to make sure I have the right firmware and I am in full control over how this mixer operates. Now, the shelf has a lot of applications as well. At first I was like, well, how am I going to use it? But after I started loading equipment into this bag and to prepare for this video, I realized that the shelf is really good for loose items or things that might kind of make their way around a bag if I was traveling in and out of a location. So extra cables, dongles, things that might not fit in my Jetpack Snap would reside in here. If I'm using this bag to store my clothes, if I was doing a destination event or a one-day pop-up in a club and coming home the next day, this could be great for toiletries or other things that I might need with me. And I think there's just a lot of cool applications for that. One really cool element that I like that they've done is on the exterior of the bag, this is an additional pocket, but it actually works in conjunction with the Snap as part of their new Revolution. To secure the Snap into place, it can be buckled in and it's secure, so you don't have to worry about your bag getting lifted if you are transporting this and rolling around. Now, this solution is really cool in the mobile space because if I was to use this bag and I was to load it with elements for a ceremony and I needed to walk a half a mile to that location, this will make that trip a little bit easier, and I really like that aspect of it as well. The Snap bag is super dope, and if you haven't seen my quick tutorial on this bag, I would invite you to click the link in the video above or check the link in the description below and get a quick little tour of this bag. Now again, I said the Jetpack crew, it consists of a team of DJs, and they're not only super nice guys, but they just understand the needs of DJs, and they put a lot of time and energy into this bag. If you are looking for a new solution, and this bag can be used a lot of different ways, it's able to accommodate a lot of different pieces of gear, and whether you're a DJ that travels with multiple laptops, different equipment pieces, or if you need a bag that can hold both equipment, your computer gear, and even clothing, this is an awesome solution that is new to the market. And again, it was constructed and designed and brought to life by DJs for DJs. And I think it's a win all the way around. And lots of love to the entire Jetpack team for getting this bag over to me so that I could do this video. And I'm just super impressed by it. So I will be using this thing all the time because I love roller bags, especially for mobile events and for events where I'm just flying into town for a day and coming back the next day. I think it makes things a lot easier when you don't have to check something and you can keep everything with you. And this bag allows me to not just bring my personal items, but allows me to bring additional computers, my mixer, and other things that I need to function at my events. Now, if you have any questions on this bag, the Snap, or any of the Jetpack product line, I'd love to invite you to drop down below, crush the comments, and I'll do my best responding to you directly. If there's a question that I can't answer for you, I promise to link in the crew from Jetpack and I'll have them respond to you directly. Also, if you're interested in getting your own Jetpack Drop bag or Jetpack Snap bag, I'm going to throw a link in the description below and hook you up with a plug with the Jetpack crew so that you can order yours or do additional research on their website today. My name is Jason. I appreciate you checking out this video, and be on the lookout for another video dropping on this channel really soon. Shout out to Jetpack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.